guys, it's Briar. So I just got home from school and my dog's adorable. And I've got some bagels and I think I'm going to go outside and try and make the maple syrup candy because it sounds fun. So I'll show you that when we do it. I have gotten the maple syrup like a grandma into a container, and now I'm going to microwave it. You're supposed to put it on the stove, but I'm much too lazy for that, so I'm gonna put it in for 10 seconds at a time, maybe. I don't know what I'm doing. And we'll see what happens. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna test it with a fork, maybe? Okay, I think it's done. I'm gonna go put it outside in the snow. I didn't think this part through. I hope this works. With my grandma shoes. Wanna come, honey? Okay, I had to move quick. So it's in the snow. Please don't eat it, honey. You're very cute. But it's not for you. I'm afraid to touch it. What if it's still hot? No, not for you. I love you very much, but... Ooh, it's still sticky. Okay. We're gonna let it sit. You wanna lick this? Stir. Should have kept you inside. Oh, my butt is cold. Just casually waiting with my puppers. Yeah, hi puppers. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh yes, it worked. Okay. Okay, back inside, back inside. Success. I hope. Okay. The snow's melting on it, so it's pretty good. I guess it tastes like maple syrup, if I'm not being stupid. That made my teeth hurt. It was pretty good. Would recommend trying like once. My memory keeps getting full. It was okay for like a one-time try. Alright, I had to start filming on my camera because my phone ran out of space. I don't know why. I don't have that many pictures or apps, but it just doesn't like me. So, the candy made my teeth hurt. I give it a 6 out of 10. A 6 out of 10. Yes. I think I'm going to dye my hair ombre dark green, leaving some like black chunks, so more like a balayage maybe? Is that what that's called? I'm not gonna get it professionally done. I'm gonna do it myself because I don't have the money for professional things. Sorry if you can hear my dog. He is licking his foot. Yes, I am judging my dog. Oh, so I've finally watched My Neighbor Totoro 2 days ago. And it was really good. I don't know why I hadn't watched it yet. It was really cute. And then yesterday I watched what is it? Kiki's Delivery Service, I think is what it's called. And that was pretty good too. I'd recommend them. They're really cute. I think today, what is it called? I'm going to watch Spirited Away. I've heard that's a good one. So, yeah. I don't know why I haven't watched them yet. All of these I'm sure are really good. And they're like, kind of like classics, I guess. So cute. So cute. I'm probably gonna watch My Neighbor Totoro with my mom. I'm gonna make her watch it too. Because I'm like that. You wondering where my jewelry is from? This is my ring. It reminds me of, I don't know, elven. Like, it seems elven to me. I just put it on my pointer finger. Yes, it's called my pointer finger. My nails are this like purple, light purple. I usually have my nails black, but I like this. This is really cool. Yeah. And then, this necklace is from Shop Dixie. It's just got like quartz crystal and then some amethyst right here. And, I was wearing another. Here, let me grab it. I was wearing this. Let's see, focus. Don't focus on me. See? That's also from Shop Dixie. So both of mine, this and this, are from Shop Dixie. And I also was wearing this elven ear. It's kind of hard to put on. Let's see if I can do it.
Just kind of slides on. Oh, it's not going to Just kind of slides on.
Like that. I don't know if you can tell. My hair is stuck in it, but yeah. So, yesterday, or the day before, I finally finished my Hobbit painting. I think it's pretty cool. My favorite part is these and the mushrooms. Like over here too. And then I just put some fake flowers and vinery around it and a little butterfly because I thought it was cute. I just recently did this. Can you see? I just painted this as well. I try to be creative when I'm not back to school, but it's a cute little house. It gets tucked up here behind my mini salt lamp. And I just keep my earrings in here and a little crystal. And these are Hobbit tarot cards. And here comes my cat.
Alright, I gotta get some schoolwork done now. So,
well, see you guys later. Hopefully I'll be more consistent about uploading videos. We'll see. I'm just starting my second semester classes, so, but they'll probably be easier than last semester, so I should be able to upload more. But bye. Say bye.